So it's good, like it should be given. Or even biological reasons are there. Which reasons? So biologically, you know, human body or animal body operates with what? Right. With the sun, set and sunrise. With sunrise is controlling the human body. If you are operating accordingly, you will be healthy psychologically, physiologically, you will be fit. But you are not working with the sunlight, your health issues will be arising. Isn't it not called cardiac rhythm, like sleeping pattern? Okay, their working schedule, all this called cardiac rhythm. This is called as circadian rhythm. Circadian rhythm get disturbed. It's a biological, means sleeping order, okay, sleeping timings, health issues, biochemical process, all depending on, if you do not sleep 2-3 days in the night, your health get disturbed. In spite of in the daytime you are sleeping, in spite of that. And this concept called which rhythm? Circadian rhythm is required. So biologically or psychologically you have to be like this.